and seasoned. We're gonna flatten them nicely. Grab yourself a little spatula or a knife, whatever you got in hand. Same thing here. Flatten, turn, twist them just a little bit. Get your spatula and unstick that. Now, what we're gonna do right after this is grab a little onion ring, maple syrup, of course. Perfect. Next one. We don't need a lot, we just need the flavor. Close them up beautifully. There we go. This is gonna flavor our meat as it cooks in the oven. The next one, cover it, close this up. We're gonna close these up nice and tight and we're gonna send them to bake in the oven. Let's get our others. Guys, we're placing these in here for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. Get this and we'll be right back. Simple, easy, inexpensive, family or friends. So what we're gonna do real quick is grab some eggs and we're gonna drop one yolk in each of these. One more. Alright guys, there we are. Now, easily, simple and fast, quickly, salt and pepper, little jalapenos for those of you that like this spice in your life, some bacon, nice and crispy. Now, come back, get some cheese, cheddar slices, cover this baby up. Don't worry about the egg that's coming out of the onions because we're going to use it all up. Nothing is going to waste. Now, we grab a little cover. Use whatever cover you have at home. You can do what you can. Get some water. This is just going to help us melt our cheese. Alright guys, now that we are nice and ready for these, we know that they are cooked. We're going to carefully remove this. Just put it to the side. Come back with this. Beautiful. We got a little bit of crisp. Eggs are not too cooked. Perfect. Let's try and grab these babies up. And right after this, guys, we're going to keep on moving on. Place these here real quick and we move on to the next step. Now that our hash browns are nice and perfect, we're going to go ahead and grab them carefully. Place this one on top. Slide this over here. Right onto our muffins that have been buttered and perfectly toasted. Bacon, sausage, and maple syrup, little parsley, and a nice little slice of cherry tomato. Boom. Grab this. Alright, and we are looking at breakfast perfection. Let's take a little bite. Gotta be hungry, guys. Oh boy, that's good.
I'm going to add this to our hot plancha as well. Add some Monterey Jack cheese to the top of this. And then I'm going to take another tortilla dipped in our chili oil and I'm going to place that on top. Let the cheese melt a little bit. So flip this over, get the other side nice and toasted. And then we're going to take the cheesy side and place it on top, like so. I'm going to turn the bacon over, and then we're going to take the cheesy side tortilla and place it right on top of that bacon. Now our other tortillas, I'm going to just do the same thing, chili oil, some Monterey Jack, and topped with another tortilla. Flip this over again, get this side nice and toasted, and we're going to switch out the cheesy side once more. And just like before, we're going to put this cheesy side right there on top, flip it over, and we're ready for the next step. So I have a chicken breast that I'm going to cut into a crosshatch style. I'm going to place skewers through chicken like so. Depending on the size of your chicken, maybe 2 to 3 skewers. And we've got that nice texture on the chicken now. It's going to help the marinade absorb a little better and cook a little more evenly. So I'm going to transfer it over to flame. And we're going to add some of the Tex-Mex oil that we made earlier. So this is why the cutting technique is really cool for this, because it allows the marinade to really penetrate through all parts of the chicken. And the flame is going to jump a little bit because of the spices in the oil. That's fine. It's going to help us get a good char. I'm also going to add some more of our Tex-Mex mix, a little extra kick, and then I'm just going to let it rest here for a little bit on the flame. So once your chicken is fully cooked, you can take it off the flame and let it rest and move on to the next step. So let's build our wraps. I'm going to add some of our guacamole, top that with our grilled chicken. Top this off with some fresh chopped cilantro, and you're ready to enjoy.